5 lucrative ways to make money as a video editor. Video editing has evolved from a creative skill into a potential gold mine. If you're a skilled video editor looking to monetize your talents, you are in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 lucrative ways to make money as a video editor. This is Blessing from Digital Creators Hub. Becoming a successful video creator is a dream shared by many, but turning that dream into a sustainable source of income requires strategic planning and dedication. In this video, I will explore actionable strategies that can help you monetize your passion for video creation and turn it into a lucrative venture. The first one is freelancing. Freelancing as a video editor offers a world of opportunities to turn your editing skills into a steady income stream. With the rise of digital media and content creation, businesses and individuals are seeking professional video editing services to enhance their projects. Online freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a global stage for video editors to showcase their skills and secure projects. Create a compelling profile that highlights your experience, expertise, and portfolio. Build on relevant projects, focus on your niche, and gradually build a solid client base. As positive reviews accumulate, your reputation will grow, potentially leading to higher paying opportunities. Here is a concise guide on how to earn from freelancing as a video editor. The first thing you should do is to build a solid portfolio. Craft a comprehensive portfolio showcasing your best work. Highlight a variety of projects that demonstrate your versatility and expertise in different editing styles. Include before and after examples to showcase your transformative skills. Your portfolio will serve as your calling card, attracting potential clients seeking your specific talents. Next is to choose the right freelance platforms. Join reputable freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Create a detailed profile that emphasizes your experience, skills, and niche expertise. These platforms connect you with clients all around the world, expanding your reach and potential client base. Crafting compelling proposals is essential. When bidding on projects, tailor your proposal to each client's needs. Address their requirements, showcase your understanding of their project, and highlight how your skills align with their goals. A personalized proposal demonstrates your commitment and increases your chances of winning the project. It is also essential for you to set competitive rates. Research industry standards and your competitors' rates to set pricing that reflects your skill and experience. Consider factors such as project complexity, turnaround time, and client expectations. While attracting clients with competitive rates is essential, ensure that your pricing also reflects the value you bring to their project. I highly recommend delivering high-quality work. Consistently deliver exceptional work that exceeds client expectations. Pay attention to details, adhere to deadlines, and communicate effectively throughout the project. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your services to others. It is also essential to communicate effectively. Clear communication is key to successful freelancing. Understand your client's vision, ask clarifying questions, and keep them updated on your progress. Regular communication builds trust and ensures that you are aligned with the project's goal. In addition, meeting deadlines is crucial in the freelance world. Stick to agreed upon time and, if necessary, provide progress updates. Timely delivery not only reflects your professionalism but also fosters positive relationships with clients. Once you build a rapport with a client, consider offering additional services they might need. For example, if you edited a video for their social media campaign, you could propose creating thumbnails or video intros to enhance their brand consistency. By following these steps and continuously honing your skill, you can unlock your potential in the freelance marketplace and create a sustainable income stream from your video editing expertise. The second way to make money as a video editor is collaborating with content creators. Content creators, YouTubers, and videographers often lack the time or expertise to handle post-production tasks. Reach out to them and offer your editing services. Collaborations can open doors to consistent work and cross-promotion. Partnering with creators in your niche not only exposes your skills to a wider audience, but also establishes a mutual beneficial relationship that can lead to long-term projects. The third way is corporate video editing. Right now, you might think, oh, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to live on my own terms. I want to work from the beach. Well, first off, it's a lot harder to become a full-time digital entrepreneur. However, corporate video editing presents a lucrative avenue for video editors to showcase their skills and generate substantial income. With businesses increasingly relying on videos for marketing, training, and internal communications, there is a growing demand for polished and professional content. Therefore, to earn from corporate video editing, it is essential you familiarize yourself with the specific needs of corporate clients. They often require videos that convey their brand identity, deliver clear messages, and align with their goals. Whether it's promotional videos, training modules, or event coverage, tailor your editing skills to match these requirements. Also attend networking events, conferences, and industry seminars to connect with potential corporate clients. Utilize professional platforms like LinkedIn to showcase your corporate video editing expertise. Leverage your online presence to demonstrate your skills and engage with businesses seeking video editing services. Before undertaking a corporate project, research the company's value, industry, and culture. This knowledge allows you to align your editing choices with their brand identity and messaging. Understanding their unique selling points help you create videos that resonate with their target audience. Also know that corporate clients value professionalism. Deliver polished videos that reflect the company's reputation. Pay meticulous attention to details such as color grading, audio quality, and seamless transitions to present a final product that exudes professionalism. In general, corporate video editing offers a lucrative opportunity for video editors to showcase their expertise while generating substantial income. The first way to earn as a video editor is to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel as a video editor offers a unique platform to showcase your skills, connect with a global audience, and generate income. With the ever-growing demand for high-quality video content, your editing expertise can position you for success. Here is a concise guide on how to earn launching a YouTube channel as a video editor. The first step is to choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise, whether it's tutorial, tech reviews, travel vlogs, or cinematic storytelling. Your niche should showcase your video editing prowess while catering to a specific target audience. The second step is to create engaging content. Produce captivating content that reflects your editing skills. Craft well-structured, visually appealing videos that keep your viewers engaged from start to finish. Apply your editing techniques to enhance storytelling, visuals, and transitions, creating a unique signature style. The third step is plan your content. Create a content calendar that outlines video topics, publish schedule, and themes. Planning ensures consistent uploads, helping build a loyal subscriber base that eagerly anticipates your content. The fourth step is showcase tutorials and tips. Leverage your editing expertise by sharing tutorials, tips, and behind-the-scenes insights. Teach viewers about editing techniques, software tricks, and creative approaches to video production. Position yourself as an authority in your niche. The fifth step is to build a brand identity. Develop a consistent brand identity for your channel. Create an eye-catching logo, intro, and outros that reflects your style. Consistency across your videos reinforces your brand and makes your content instantly recognizable. The sixth step is to optimize for SEO. Maximize your video's visibility by optimizing for search engines. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. This enhances the chances of your videos appearing in search results and attracting a wider audience. The seventh step is to engage with your audience. Foster a sense of community by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and engaging with viewers. Build genuine connection, as an engaged audience is more likely to subscribe, share, and support your channel. The eighth step is to monetize your channel. As your channel gains subscribers and watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn from ads shown on your videos. Additionally, consider affiliate marketing, brand collaborations, and merchandise to diversify your income streams. In a nutshell, starting a YouTube channel as a video editor offers a platform to showcase your skills, connect with an audience and generate income. The fifth and final way to earn as a video editor is by selling editing assets and templates. Selling editing assets and templates is a lucrative venture for video editors to monetize their skills beyond traditional editing projects. With a demand for high-quality content creation tools on the rise, video editors can capitalize on this trend by offering pre-designed elements that save time and enhance the editing process. In order to sell editing assets and templates, it is essential to determine your target audience and niche, whether it's cinematic effects, motion graphics, transitions, or color presets. Focus on a specific area where you excel. This specialization will help you cater to a dedicated audience seeking solutions in that particular category. Also pay attention to detail, ensuring that your creations are professional, visually appealing, and easy to use. Strive for originality, as unique and innovative assets stand out in a competitive market. In addition, select a platform to sell your assets. Websites like Envato Markets, Video Hive, and Gumroad offer a marketplace for digital products. Research each platform policies, fees, and user base to determine the best fit for your products. It is necessary to promote your asset through social media, your website, and industry-related platforms. Create engaging content that showcases the value your templates bring to video editors. Engage with potential customers by sharing tutorials, tips, and behind-the-scene insights. In a nutshell, selling editing assets and templates offers a scalable way for video editors to monetize their skill. As a skilled video editor, you possess a valuable skill set that is high in demand across various industries. Whether you choose to freelance, collaborate with content creators, serve corporate clients, assist YouTube creators, or create and sell editing assets, the potential for financial success is undeniable. Each avenue offers its own benefits and challenges. So consider your strengths, interests, and goals when deciding which path to pursue. Remember, the key to success lies in delivering high-quality work, building relationships, and adapting to the ever-evolving landscape of video editing. So choose your path, refine your skills, and embark on a journey to not only create captivating video but also secure a profitable future. If you find this insight valuable, be sure to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow video editors, and subscribe for more transformative content. As we embark on this exciting journey to make money as a video editor, remember that your skills have the power to transform raw footage into cinematic masterpiece and financial success. So go out there, edit with passion, and let your creativity light up screens and bank accounts. Bye for now.